Today's lesson is Lesson 50, Part 2, Making a Shape for a Given Perimeter. When we find the perimeter of a shape, we are measuring the distance around the outside. And we can measure that perimeter in inches or centimeters. So something we can do is use pattern blocks to find the perimeter of larger shapes. So on the pattern blocks, the length of each of the sides equals 1 inch, except for the long length of my trapezoid, which that one equals 2 inches. Okay, so my triangle, if all the sides equal 1 inch, that means the perimeter would be 3 inches because there's 3 sides. A square and all the sides are 1 inch the perimeter would be 4 inches. The diamond would also be 4 inches. The hexagon would equal 6 inches because there are 6 sides. And on my trapezoid, the perimeter of the top or the sides would equal, because this is 1 inch, these 2 sides are also 1 inch. So it'd be a total of 6 inches as well. Okay. So here I have this shape, and I want to find the perimeter of it. Well, I know that the length of each of the sides of my shapes is 1 inch. So I know that this one would be 1 inch for that triangle side and 1 inch for that hexagon side. 1 inch there and 1 inch there. 1 inch and 1 inch. I know the long side of my trapezoid equals 2 inches. And then again, the short side would be 1 inch and 1 inch. So if I add up all of these sides, I would end up with these so the left side added together would equal a total of 2 inches. The top would equal 2 inches. The right side would equal 2 inches. And the bottom would equal 4 inches. Okay, so to find the perimeter, I would add up 2 inches plus 2 inches plus 2 inches plus 4 inches. So the perimeter equals 10 inches. Or you can write it as 10 inches with that mark. Okay, so let's find the perimeter of this shape. So if I know that each of these pieces, each of the sides of my pattern blocks equals 1 inch, there's 3 of them, so that would be 3 inches. There'd be 1 here, so that's 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, so that'd be 4 inches. And then I have 1, 2 sides there, so that's 2 inches. So my perimeter equals 3 inches plus 1 inch plus 1 inch plus 1 inch plus 4 inches plus 2 inches. And all that added up together equals 12 inches for my perimeter. Okay, and that is it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.